Hello, wonderful souls. Today we are doing this reading from Archangel Michael Oracle Cards deck. This reading is to help everyone to know the guidance from Archangel Michael for protection, safety, and to move out of anxiety, stress, depression. Let's go ahead with the reading. I have picked out 5 cards from Archangel Michael Oracle Cards deck. All you have to do is look at the cards, breathe slowly, and select any card that you feel guided to. It could be a single card or it could be multiple cards. This is card 1, card 2, card number 3, card number 4, and card number 5. So, breathe in, breathe out. Call upon your guardian angels and Archangel Michael to help you get the guidance that you require at this moment of your life for your protection, safety, and for helping you move out of any fear based energies, lower energies, anxiety, stress, and depression. So let's begin with those. Now I hope you have selected the card. So now let's begin with card number 1. So for people who have selected card number 1, let's see what Archangel Michael has to say. Go forward fearlessly. So with this card, Archangel Michael asks you people to stop worrying and giving energy to negative things and emotions that are going on in your life. Have trust and faith that Archangel Michael will clear all negative energies in and around you and that you are safe and protected. There is no need to worry. Archangel Michael is present with you with his mighty sword to remove any and all types of negative energy, lower energies, psychic attacks from around your aura. Know that you are safe and you can move ahead in the direction of your dreams and in your life fearlessly. Okay, so guidance coming up for card number 2. So the guidance for people who have picked card number 2 is spend more time outdoors. So as you can see, Archangel Michael is directing you all to go into nature and spend more quality time outside your house rather than staying inside. Spending time near a tree, in a garden, in a park, or near an ocean body, a water body will definitely help you. As you step outside your house, you will see the nature. You'll see notice that the energy of the nature and environment will uplift your energies and take away any fear based energy that you have been storing. Also, this is a wonderful card for all those people who are seeking to change their energies and do not know how to move ahead. So this is the guidance for people who have selected card number 2. Next guidance coming up for people selected card number 3 is pay attention to your dreams. So all those people who have selected card number 3, Archangel Michael asks you to pay attention to your dreams. He asks you to call upon him before you go to sleep so that he will protect your dreams and fill your dreams with guidance and information that would be highly beneficial for your personal and professional growth. Also, you can see there is a magic wand. There is this symbol over here and also some magical symbols over here, which Archangel Michael tells that he will send the required information that will help you move ahead in your life and remove any types of negativity from your life. You can keep a journal next to your bed and note down any dreams that come to you, so that you can always remember those dreams and move ahead and take action on it, so that you can move ahead in your life. I hope that helps you all. So those who have selected card number 4. Okay, so people selecting card number 4, the guidance coming from Archangel Michael is a favorable outcome. So all those who have selected card number 4, Archangel Michael asks you to stop giving fear-based energy and lower energies to any and every situation that is going on in your life, and know that everything is working out as per divine plan. All the situations and events are taking place so that it is for your highest good. The situations are turning out exactly as it should be, so that you receive the best guidance and the best outcome. Also, as you can see, Archangel Michael is balancing everything and bringing things for you. So stay where you are, relax, and stop worrying about how things will go ahead in your life, because definitely things are going to turn out for the better for you. Stop giving those worry energies and relax and enjoy this moment. People selecting card number 5. So, this is your guidance, everyone. This situation is already resolved. So, as you can see, Archangel Michael is holding the child and looking at the sky and protecting the child. So, people worrying about how you will overcome the stress and anxiety, know that Archangel Michael is taking care of you like he is taking care of the child in the picture. He is resolving all the things and situations behind the scenes, and taking utmost care of you in this situation. He is protecting you and your loved ones, so there is no need to worry about anything. There is no need to have any fear based energy or lower energies in and around you and your auric field. Archangel Michael is protecting you and safeguarding you. So let go of all these energies and know that you are safe and protected. Thank you. I hope all of you resonated with the reading, and Archangel Michael has provided the guidance that they needed during this time. Please like and share this video to people you think who would benefit from this reading and would be and would appreciate Archangel Michael's guidance now. Thank you. Love and blessings. Chittal Shah, Magical Droplets.